People don't like it when you trauma dump on them, but AI don't care. So trauma dump on perplexity and then use deep research to heal yourself. This will probably save you thousands on therapies. Okay, so this is a fake situation. So my birthday, cake time, fork in hand, inches from mouth. My brother threw a whole cake, my hands pushed upwards, the fork sparing my cheek. Taint scarfed, my upper lip bleeding. Now I'm afraid of birthdays, cakes, and forks. Please conduct deep research on how I can heal this issue from the context given. If each finding outline a research study or a clinical study that was done and the results. Only draw your research from scientifically backed articles. Do not use any blog posts, social media posts as your source of information. To be safe, click this and then unselect the first and the last and select the second. So this is the answer to how to treat my fake phobia. So it is based on science. So efficacy of CBT in anxiety disorders. I can use OST. Can use what the hell is this? VR exposure therapy, eye movement desensitization, family involvement, blah blah blah. So this probably safe if I ever have this trauma. I probably saved me thousands on therapies because I can probably do this on my own. Not all, but some treatment, right? Okay, so that's all from me. See you on the next video. Thank you.